practicing, so maybe I'll be a bit better for you guys. But it's hard on an iPad. I also got some new weapons, which is cool. Oh, I died. That sucks. So, yeah. How are you all doing? Not like you guys can respond to me, but, you know, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. So, yeah. So yeah, comment what games we should try, all that stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So right now I'm waiting for the round to start. Boom. She died. That sucks. I also got a new ability. Ooh, there's... Oh no, I died. Because I was trying to click classic. Comment if you want to see a video of me and Parrot in a private server versing each other. So right now we're in Dodgeball, and I would totally recommend Bladeball. It's fun once you get the hang of it, but at first I got very frustrated, just as a heads up. And especially don't play with Parrot when you're first starting out. She's really good at this game. But once you get a bit better, you should play with Parrot. But now I'm in a hitting match with these people. That's great. That was scary. Oh, I died. If you guys can't tell. But yeah. Ew. Ew. This is cool. Now what do I do? I'm just confused. So there's these people trading me all the time. I don't care that you freaking declined to trade. Stop trading me. Oops. Oh, they declined. Well, why are you sending me trade requests if you're just gonna decline? So stop declining. Oh, I was not ready for that. Gundam style. Dun, 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 dun. And please leave in the comments any recommendations for like editing apps and all that stuff. And also please leave in the comments like any please we'll shout out your channel if you comment about it, or you might but the catch is you have to shout out our channel. So thank you, because we are trying to get more views. We only have 4 subscribers right now, so we hope we can get more people. So, oh, I killed somebody. Let's go. Yay, we won! But yeah, so our team just won, and I stayed alive until the end, even though I only hit the ball like twice. But we didn't talk about that. He just like immediately got eliminated. It's whatever. Ooh, the game started. So, you might have to turn up your volume a bit because I'm talking kind of soft right now because it's... Oh. Yeah, and then she emotes me. That's great. But yeah, so you might have to turn up your volume a bit. Oh, that was sad. But, ooh. Yeah. Immediately just goes to the grate. Whee! Get smacked. Oh, that was sad. But yeah, we'll try our best to edit our videos better to you guys' liking. Oh, I forgot to hit it. But yeah. Right now, my team is winning, which is Santa's. So I hope we get the Crimson Claws. Wait, we did. I just didn't get to claim it. That's great. That's lay. Ooh, free rewards. I can't afford anything. So yeah, I've only played this game like 5 times. But yeah. Guys, I'm dancing. Boom. Get smacked. Get smacked. Smack. Oh, that's why I hate people in the server. Because then I can never do training properly. Oh, that was blocked by the vote for the next game mode. Ooh, we're in. Whee! Ability. Freeze it and smack it. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh. I already got eliminated, guys. This is unfair. Oh, shark. Yeah. Slam dunk. Oh. Sorry, I wasn't talking for a bit. But, yeah. Yep. I think after this round, I'm going to end the video. It'll be a short one, but it was pretty good. You have to admit that. Please give me the crystal blade. What's an ice rink burst? Oh, when I die. That's great. Explosion. At least I have a better explosion now. Ew, and it's the Christmas one. Oh my gosh, that scared me. That is scary. Oop. Well, that's the end. Thank y'all for watching. Happy New Year. Be sure to go check out our other videos. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Bye.